We are making friendship card today. We need scissor, cutter, sheets, uvu, star cutter, plastic, mark. Take black sheet and fold it into halves. I cut the sheet from inside, like this. Cut the stars and place them in plastic bag. I add some glitter and other accessories too. Paste the plastic in this way. I paste my favorite drawing in card after pasting the black sheet on it. I made borders. Here I paste white sheet. I paste some hearts too, like this. See the close-up. I paste tag on card. See the close-up of card. The card is completed. Here I'm taking glass bottle and remove its sticker. Apply white base. Now I apply pink paint on bottle. Place some stickers on it. I paste clay heart on bottle. I'm taking small for sheets. Length 3.5 inch, width 1 inch. Writing quotes on tags. I put tags on bottle. Here I'm making friendship band.
رجوتك عفوا ولا لي سوى ودمع يسيل على مصحف به يصل الله صوف من أتى فتلك
See the procedure carefully.
لقلب سليم إلى الله دوما تدور رحى فيا سعد من كان
Add some flowers in it.
إلى جنة في أعالي سماء إلى جنة في أعالي سماء جمال الوجود بذكر الإله وتصفو الحياة بنور هدى.
See, it's ready. Here are the final results.